us to show you a tour of Bud, our RV. Ooh. And so today we are going to do that. Let's go inside. So right when you walk in the door, you see our hooks with our hats and our bags, and this is where we control our RV. We have our slide, our awning where we check. This is where we check our water and make sure that that's full. This is our couch, and we open this up, and we have these bins with blankets and games and stuff. So we also have some storage under the dinette here. Ooh, we have some on this side too. And the dinette converts into a bed. The couch also converts into a bed. And this is our fireplace with our TV and our pictures and our DVD player, our shoe compartment. So now I'm going to bring you over to Mom, and she's going to show you how we have set up the kitchen.
Here in our kitchen we have a lot of really great storage spaces that we've managed to make the most of. So the first thing I'll share with you is the pantry. Here in the pantry we've got 4 shelving areas for everything from our food to some appliances that we carry, like our toaster oven is up there. Areas for plates and utensils and all the things that we need. I also have laundry detergent and fabric softener in there, so if we ever find ourselves in the need to do a load of laundry, we've got what we need.
We'd never have to do a load of laundry on a trip, though.
Never.
Now, whose job it is to clean the towels when it was his fault that the toilet exploded?
Yours.
Yeah.
And our refrigerator and freezer are wonderful. One of the features we like about this is that it latches closed with this little hook that comes across the front. Some RVs are made where you have to push a button in order to open the refrigerator or the freezer door, and we prefer it not like that. So we just close the latch when we're traveling, and otherwise it stays just like this. Our freezer has lots of wonderful space in it. It's not nearly used to capacity at this moment, but we could if we wanted to. And then our refrigerator, also lots of great space on the door and in compartments. There is a crisper in here.
What's a crisper?
It keeps your vegetables crisp. Meat and cheese and bacon.
That's how it should be.
Because you wouldn't want your bacon any other way but crispy. We have started creating magnets for each of our adventures that we take. So the very first one you see on here is from when we took our first trip, when the RV first came into our possession, and we went traveling to Gaffney, South Carolina. We've got the dates and some highlights. So we've got Gaffney, we've got Cherokee, North Carolina, Williamsburg, Virginia, a general one that helps connect to our YouTube channel, and then we'll keep adding to it as we have more adventures. In the kitchen area, our stove, gas stove, and oven are here. Ta-da! One of the features that we like about this stove is that it's got a glass covering that just folds back when you're ready to use this stove. We've got 3 burners, and it just flips up. It kind of serves as a backsplash, but when you're not using the stove, you can fold it right back down, and it expands your counter space a little bit. So when I'm preparing sandwiches or mixing up batter for something, I have space that I can work here. Over here we've got 3 drawers for utensils, and we also have a drawer designated for like towels and washcloths and things that we use in the kitchen. Our counter space is decent, and we've got another area here over the sink. I use this a couple of ways. This is our dish drain, so when I've washed dishes in the sink, I can lay them here to dry if I want to. But this also rolls back, and I have a double-sided sink, so that's super helpful. Because in an RV, counter space is limited, this gives me extra space as well. So just like the stovetop folds down to give me space, this can be used in the same way. We've got a little basket here where we put all of our keys and pamphlets and information about the actual campground where we're staying, local attractions, and other information that might help us as we're making decisions about how to spend our time when we're traveling. And then up here in the top cabinets, we've got plenty of space for dishes and pots and pans and bowls and cups and bowls and cups and more bowls and all the things we need while we're traveling. And last but not least, a microwave, so we can warm things in the microwave, those quick and easy meals, or reheating something that we've cooked on the grill the day before. And that's our kitchen. And here to my left is our dinette. We like our space here. We can spread out as a family and play card games or board games. We can eat together, but also this back right here in the dinette actually lifts out, and you can flip it around and put it here, so this space becomes a chase lounge, so that when we're sitting watching TV or a movie together as a family, we have plenty of space for the 4 of us to sit together and enjoy that time.
What's up, Soph?
So now I'm going to take you to Chloe, and she is going to show you where me and her sleep.
Here we have the bunkhouse, which is one of the things that Mom and Dad really wanted for the RV. So they spent a good bit of time looking for a bunkhouse that suited our needs when we were choosing an RV. So here we have 2 beds that me and Sophie sleep in. This is Sophie's bed, and mine is over here. We both have some little personal items, like I have a blanket over here and then we both have one of these pillows. Sophie has a blanket and these. And we have this fun bedding. It's got like little, I'll show you the pillow. It's got little wilderness creatures and like little books and like these fun things on it. And the blankets have that too. And if you can look at Sophie's bed, if you flip the blanket over and the pillow, if you flip the blanket and pillow over, you can see that it's reversible and it has a different color on it without the pattern. And down here we have a couch which can easily be transformed into a pretty big bed, that if either me and Sophie want to sleep down here or we have guests that want to sleep down here, we can transform this into the bed and they can sleep down here. And we also have this door right here, so it's not completely opened. That was something that Mom and Dad were looking for, so that if we wanted privacy, we could have privacy. Same with them, they have a door too. And so yeah, and then over here we have this closet type thing where we keep our stuff. I have a bin up here where I keep all my clothes that I packed for trips. And then Sophie has one down here too. And if we look over here, we have a door. It's like a little miniature door in here that we can use. We don't use it a lot, but if we open it, it comes out here. And it can serve as like an emergency exit or just a different way to get out. Packing right before a trip, it helps to get in here if we are on this side and we have a couple extra things that we need to put in there in the little packing space. And over here we have a TV if we want to watch something in the morning, like when we wake up, or if we're just hanging out and we want to watch a little show. Sophie usually keeps her things over here, and I usually keep mine over here. I don't have much here, but usually I have a couple things over here. We do have windows up here, which serve as a little extra natural light, or if we want to just look out the windows. They have some curtains if we don't want them to be open all the time. Some charging stations. There are 2 places where we can charge over by my bed, and then there are 2 other places where we can charge over by Sophie's bed. There's also a charging station down here. It requires a block, but the other 2 up here don't. So those are the charging stations. But, yeah, that's our bunkhouse.
Y'all, it stinks in here.
What does it smell like?
Smells like a girl's bedroom. What have y'all done?
Doesn't stink. Now I'm going to show you the bathroom and how we've organized it. So, we have our towel hooks here, and we have these little medicine cabinets. We have this towel hook thingy, and this is our shower. We keep some things down here in this cabinet, and we have a switch right here. I can turn the lights on and off. Now Mom's going to show you where my mom and Dad sleep.
Hi again. This is the master bedroom, and I want to show you all the great storage spaces that are in here too. Can you tell that storage gets me really, really happy? I want to show you all of that. So Scott's got a closet on one side with a full-length mirror and a bedside table. The same thing is true over here on my side. We've also got good spaces above over here. Let me just show you that on each side there's a cabinet like this that opens so we can store things up top. So with the closets, inside each closet we've got a regular outlet. So, and then the company that makes this RV advertises this as a CPAP port or CPAP access. What I do is I plug my cell phone charger in there and I just route it around outside so that my phone can sit on my bedside and charge when I need it to. And then I've made the most of my closet space by using a hanging organizer to coordinate all my clothes in little spaces in there. The bed, pretty cool. It lifts up and there's storage underneath, so we've each got bins under here where we can keep clothing and shoes or anything else we need to store. We really enjoy having that extra storage space underneath the bed, and we like the fact that here in our room we've got a linen closet. It's a space where we keep all of our towels, extra blankets, extra bed sheets in case we should need them, extra space where we have at the very bottom dirty clothes laundry basket. So it just gives us plenty of room to store all of the essentials for any trip that we would take. And of course, a TV, the comforts of home, a TV. And that's the master bedroom.
So that's our RV.
We hope you like the tour.
Make sure to continue to follow our adventures and hit the subscribe button.
So that's our RV.
We hope you liked the tour.
Oh, bloopers.
Please continue to follow us on YouTube and click the subscribe button.
Here we have the bunkhouse. We put them up top here because the mattress, and there's a place over here, which, sorry Dad.
Hold on.
Sorry.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Thank goodness we're not live.
And this also folds out into a bed. And this.
Sweetie, the table doesn't fold out into a bed.
To get in here if
So that's our RV.
We hope you liked it. Hi, welcome to the master bedroom. Let me try again. Hi, welcome. Do not put that in the blue for real.
we also have some charging stations, one beside.
Oh, let me get over here and then tell me that.
We also have some
Wait.
charging.
Okay, I'm over here now.
We also have some charging stations.
So here's a good shot. I got the cans, the jugs, and the shoot.
That's our RV.
We hope you liked the tour.
Please continue to follow our adventures and hit the subscribe button.
So-